So in this video, you'll learn how to change the hotspot name and password on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So all you need to do is simply open Settings, select Connections, and then tap on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Select Mobile Hotspot, then you want to scroll down until you find Network Name and Password. So in order for you to change it, just select any of these options and it will bring you to this editing menu. So from here, you should see your network name and password and you can start customizing. So your network name by default is your device name. So you want to use the keyboard to erase what's currently there and then type in the new network name that you're going to be using. Once you've typed in the name, do the same with the password, just erase what's currently there and give yourself a new password. And then once you've done that, you want to remember to tap on save to apply the changes. So now whenever you look at the network name and password, you should see the new things that you've just entered in are now your default. So if someone ever wants to connect to that specific hotspot, they'll just need to go to their Wi-Fi settings, and then wait for their network name and network name to appear in the list of available networks. So just enable mobile hotspot, wait for it to appear. And then once it's appeared, you can now just tap on it, enter in the password that you've just created, and they can now connect to your hotspot. And so that's how you can change the network name and password on your Galaxy A56 for mobile hotspot. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.